Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. It looks like today we're doing number 198. And before we get started, just a quick reminder to please like and subscribe. All right, let's start with this top row. We're missing 2, 3, 4, and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 3, 4. A 2 here with that 6, so 3, 4. 3 and 4 here, so 2, 6, and a 3 and 4 here, so 2, 6. Let's look at this row. We're missing 2, 4, 6, 7. Don't see any help here, so 2, 4, 6, 7. We've got the 6 here, so 2, 4, 7. Get the 7 here, so 2, 4, 6. And that 7 with the 2 here means 4, 6. If we do this row, we're missing 3, 7, 8, 9. We've got 7 and 9 here, so 3, 8. We've got the 8 here, so 3, 7, 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 7, 8. And then 9 here, so 3, 7, 8. For this row, we're missing 3, 4, 6, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 4, 6. 6 here, so 3, 4, 7. 3 and 4 here, so 6, 7. And same here, 6, 7. If we work on this box, we're missing 2, 4, 5, and 6. We've got the 2 here and a 6 here, so 4, 5. And just the 6 here, so 2, 4, 5. I don't know, guys. This is looking like it might be a mess. Let's do this box. We're missing 3, 4, 6, 7, and 8. We've got an 8 there and a 4 here. So 3, 6, 7. 8 and 4 still, and a 3. So 6, 7. 3 here. So 4, 6, 7. A 7 here and the 3. So 4, 6. Let's look at this column. We're missing 2, 3, 7, and 9. We've got the 3 here, so 2, 7, 9. The 9 here, so 2, 3, 7. 2 and 9 here, so 3, 7. 2, 3, and 9 for here, so this has to be our 7. That makes this our 3. Then that would make this our 2 and our 9. So now we can get rid of this 7 here and this 7 here. And that 3 makes this our 4. So then we can get rid of this 4, this 4, this 4. And with this 3, we can get rid of this 3. All right, I think that's all the cleanup we can do at the moment. To finish out this box, we're missing a 6. So that 6 would make this our 4. See, and now I think we've already made a mistake. Let's keep playing with this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing 8 and 9. The 9 can't be here because we have this 9 and this 9. So that could be our 8, and that would make this our 9. And with this 4 here, and the 3 can't be here for this row, that would make this our 3 for that box. And that 3 would make this our 8. With this 4, we can get rid of this 4 and this 4. So for this column now we're missing 2, 5, and 6. We've got the 2 here. So 5, 6. For this box we're missing 2, 3, 4, and 7. We've got a 2 here and a 3 here. So 4, 7. We do this row, we're missing 2, 5, 6, and 7. We've got a 5 here. So 2, 6, 7. And no help here. So 2, 5, 6, 7. But it looks like this is the only place our 5 can be. And that means this is the only place our 2 can be. So then we can get rid of this 2. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 4, 6, and 7. We've got the 1 here and a 6 here. So 4, 7. We've got the 4 here and the 1. So 6, 7. And that 4 makes this 1, 6, 7. So it looks like the only place in that column our 1 can be is here. If we do this column, we're missing 2, 6, 7, and 8. We've got a 6 here. So 2, 7, 8. No help here. 2, 6, 7, 8. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, 6, 7, and 8. No help here. 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. And a 2 here. So 3, 6, 7, 8. Just looking back for anything we could maybe fix here. Looks like in this row now, the only place our 4 can be is here. That would make this our 7. This our 2, 3. So then that 7 makes this our 4, 5, 2. And that 2 and 7 makes this our 8. So let's clean up a little bit. Here's another one. That 2 would make this our 6. And then this is our 5. That 6 makes this our 4. And that 4 and 6 make this our 7. And this our 6. Right, so we can get rid of this 6, this 6, this 6, this 8, all right, that's 7, we can get rid of this 7. All right, let's look at this square now. We're missing 3, 4, 6, 7. We've got a 4 and a 6 here. So 3, 7. 3, 4, and 6 here. So that makes this our 7 and our 3. We've got the 4 there. So 6, 4. That 6 makes this our 7, 6. If we look at this row, well, first of all, we can get rid of this 3 and the 7 and the 7. So we're missing 2, 5, and 8. We've got 2's covering here, so this would be 5, 8. But all that we have left for this square to be is a 2. And that makes this our 8, 5. This 2 makes this our 6, 2. We can get rid of this 8 and this 8. This 6 makes this our 7, 6. Can get rid of this 3 here. So for this box now, we're missing 3, 7, 8, 9. We've got 3, 8, and 9. So this is our 7. We've got the 9 here. So this could be 3 or 8. But now this 7 makes this our 9. Don't know if we're going to manage to pull this off here. So the 7 would make this our 3 and 7. The 8 and 3. Huh, would you look at that? I think we made it. If you see that I didn't somewhere, please let me know down in the comments. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a very good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.